Hello everyone and welcome to your 15th Adobe After Effects tutorial, applying basic effects. In this tutorial we will learn how to apply effects and how do they work out and how to insert them in our composition. Now in order to apply any effect, all the effects mostly get applied to any layer. So in order to apply a basic effect, let's start by creating a layer. So right click, new solid. Let's create a solid. Let's create red solid, hit OK, and a solid is created. Now select the layer, go to effect, generate, and then let's go down to grid. As you can see, this is an effect that turns the layer into a grid. Now let's check this grid out once. As soon as you apply any effect, it has its own properties on the left side in the Effects Control tab. Now in the Effects Control panel, what we see first here is the anchor point. We can change the anchor point. As you can see, we can make it as we need. The second is size from. Third is the corner. We can select where the corner will be and it will affect the grids over here. For now, let's check out the border. That is how wide these borders will be. Let's leave it at 5. And then we have the opacity and color over here. We can change its color as we want. And we can change its opacity from over here. Now to delete any effect, what you can do is you can shut off effect if you want. For example, if you would need the effect later on but you don't want to see the effect right now, you can shut it off by going over to the upper left corner. As you can see, the name of the effect, and then on its left side you see FX. Click on the effects icon over here and then the effect will be shut off. Or you can go to the layer and on the right side you see FX over here and then click on it to shut off the effect. If you don't see this button, click on toggle switches / modes to bring on that button and then shut off the effect. If you want to directly delete an effect, select the effect from the Effects Control panel and hit delete on your keyboard to delete that effect. If you want that effect to come back, you can press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard to bring back the effect. Or if you want the effect to go back to its original layout, you can select the reset button over here, click on it, and then it will go back to the original way as it was before. So guys, that's it for this tutorial and thank you for watching.